Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to structure problem and solution essay for the IELTS writing task. If you haven't seen our previous videos on opinion and discussion essays, make sure to check them out to gain a comprehensive understanding of different essay types. And don't forget to stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Before we start breaking down the problem and solution essay, let's briefly review the IELTS writing test grading criteria to understand how your essay will be evaluated. Ready? Let's get started. First up, we've got task response. This is all about hitting the nail on the head with the task you've been given. You need to clearly outline the problems and dive right into the solutions. And don't just skim over them. Each problem and its solution should be explored in detail. Show the examiner you really understand the issues and have thought through possible solutions. Moving on to coherence and cohesion. This is essentially how well your essay sticks together. Your ideas shouldn't just be thrown onto the page, they need to flow logically and feel connected. Think of your essay like a chain, where each link is a paragraph dedicated to part of the problem or a specific solution. Use those transition words effectively to create a smooth progression from one idea to the next. Now, let's talk about lexical resource. Fancy term, but really it's all about your vocabulary. Your choice of words is crucial. You want to use a range of vocabulary that relates directly to discussing problems and solutions. Don't be shy to throw in some idiomatic expressions here and there. It shows off your language skills and can make your essay more engaging. Lastly, grammatical range and accuracy. Here's where you showcase your command of the language. Mix it up with complex sentence structures to articulate your points clearly, but watch out for those sneaky grammar mistakes. Remember, it's not just about using fancy structures, it's about using them correctly. Keep these 4 criteria in mind as you plan, write, and revise your essay. They are key to crafting a response that not only answers the question thoroughly but does so in a way that's clear and compelling. Now, what is a problem-solution essay? A problem-solution essay is a type of writing where you identify a problem and discuss possible solutions to it. This type of essay is particularly common in exams and tests your ability to think critically about issues and propose viable solutions. It's important to clearly state the problem, explain why it's a problem, and then detail one or more solutions. Now, let's talk about how to structure your essay. A well-structured essay not only helps keep your thoughts organized but also makes it easier for the examiner to follow your arguments. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Introduction. Introduce the topic and give a brief outline of the problem. Your introduction should also include a thesis statement that mentions the problem and hints at the solutions you will discuss. Problem paragraphs. Here, you should delve deeper into the problem. Describe it in detail, including who it affects and why it is a problem. Providing examples can help strengthen your case. Solution paragraphs. For each problem, propose a solution. Explain how the solution can effectively resolve the issue and discuss any possible challenges in its implementation. Again, examples can be very helpful here. Conclusion. Summarize the problems and solutions you have discussed. Reinforce how your solutions can effectively tackle the issues and restate the overall importance of finding these solutions. Each part of your essay plays a crucial role in communicating your message to the examiner. Remember, clarity and detail are key to making your essay compelling and persuasive. Let's move on to an example essay where we will apply this structure. This will give you a clear idea of how to craft your own problem-solution essay in a way that meets the IELTS writing standards. Let's break down an example essay on the topic traffic congestion is becoming a huge problem for many major cities. Discuss some of the problems associated with traffic congestion and suggest at least one possible solution. We'll start with an introduction, where you set the scene for your readers. You might start like this. Introduction. First up, the introduction. Start strong with a hook to grab your audience's attention. You could say something like, in many cities around the world, traffic congestion has become more than just an inconvenience, it's a daily challenge affecting millions. This sets the stage and pulls the reader in by highlighting the severity of the issue. Next, provide some background information to gently introduce your topic. You might say, cities are increasingly experiencing high volumes of traffic, leading to a myriad of problems that impact urban life. This lays down the foundation of what you'll discuss. Finish your introduction with a clear thesis statement. Here's how you can phrase it. This essay will explore the major problems associated with traffic congestion and propose practical solutions to address these issues. This tells your reader exactly what to expect in your essay. Body paragraph 1 Problems. Moving on to the first body paragraph, where you discuss the problems. Start with a topic sentence that introduces this section, like, traffic congestion leads to several significant problems that impair urban environments and the quality of life for its residents. Then, dive into the specifics. Discuss your first major problem, extended travel times. Explain how congested roads can lead to inefficiency and decreased productivity, perhaps including statistics or examples to back up your points. Next, tackle another major problem, such as the environmental and health impacts. You could discuss how stagnant traffic increases vehicle emissions, worsening air quality and posing health risks. Again, specific details or data will strengthen your argument here. Body paragraph to solutions. In your second body paragraph, you shift focus to the solutions. Start with a topic sentence, something like, addressing the issue of traffic congestion requires innovative and sustainable solutions. Outline your first solution, such as improving public transportation. Describe how increasing service frequency and extending routes could reduce reliance on personal vehicles. Then, propose another solution, like promoting public transit usage through campaigns and incentives. Explain how this could encourage more people to switch from driving to using public transport, further reducing congestion. Conclusion. Wrap it all up in your conclusion. Briefly recap the discussed problems and solutions, summarizing the key points you've made. Then, end with a final thought or recommendation, maybe something like, implementing the discussed solutions could dramatically alleviate these issues and lead to a more sustainable urban future. Here's the final essay. In many cities around the world, traffic congestion has become more than just an inconvenience, it is a daily challenge that affects millions of people. As urban areas continue to grow, the volume of traffic significantly impacts urban life, leading to a range of problems. This essay will explore the major issues associated with traffic congestion and propose practical solutions to address these concerns. Traffic congestion leads to several significant problems that impair urban environments and the quality of life for its residents. One of the most glaring issues is the extended travel times that result from congested roads. This not only leads to inefficiency in daily commutes but also results in a measurable decrease in productivity, as workers spend more hours on the road rather than being productive at work or resting at home. For instance, in cities like Los Angeles and Bangkok, commuters may spend upwards of 90 minutes one way during peak hours, severely impacting their daily schedules and stress levels. Additionally, the environmental and health impacts of traffic congestion are profound. Stagnant traffic increases vehicle emissions, which worsen air quality and pose serious health risks to the population. These include respiratory issues, such as asthma and bronchitis, and a reduced overall well-being. Studies have shown that in cities with severe traffic congestion, the rate of these health issues is significantly higher compared to those with smoother traffic flows. Addressing the issue of traffic congestion requires innovative and sustainable solutions. One effective solution is the enhancement of the public transportation system. By increasing the frequency of services and extending the coverage of routes, public transit can become a more convenient and attractive option for commuters. For example, in Singapore, the government has invested heavily in its public transportation infrastructure, which has significantly reduced the number of private vehicles on the roads. Another viable solution is promoting the usage of public transit through promotional campaigns and incentives. offering reduced fares during off-peak hours, providing season tickets at a discounted rate, and improving the comfort and safety of public transportation can encourage more people to leave their cars at home. Additionally, implementing strict carpooling laws and congestion charges in city centers can deter individuals from using private vehicles, as seen in London with the congestion charge zone. Traffic congestion not only extends travel times and damages environmental and public health but also challenges urban living conditions. By implementing the discussed solutions of enhancing public transportation and promoting its usage through various incentives, these issues could be dramatically alleviated. The adoption of such measures would lead to a more sustainable urban future, improving the quality of life for all city dwellers. That's all for today, guys. Before we wrap up, it's important to remember that there's no hard and fast rule on how exactly you must structure your essay. The key is to ensure that your essay effectively addresses the IELTS grading criteria, which include task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. As long as your ideas are clear and well supported, and your essay is easy to follow, you're on the right track. Make sure to explore our channel for more insights and tips on IELTS writing and other academic skills. We've got a whole library of content designed to help you succeed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. We're here to help you achieve your best score. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.